Good evening everyone, my name is Chandan and today I'm going to speak about Asif sir and his Human Empowerment Training Program, how it helped me attain great heights in my professional career. So when I was young, I was in college, I had this passion of going abroad and working on a foreign land for different reasons. I wanted to live a little independent life, get more exposure and also at the same time work in a multicultural environment. So the kind of job when I was doing initially in my career, I was not very happy sometimes. I gave a lot of interviews, but sometimes I could not crack the interviews and sometimes the package was not appropriate. And in between there was a phase when I was out of job. So through a friend I met Asif sir and I was very impressed with the kind of passion and knowledge he had for the work he was doing. He asked me to enroll into his program, which I did. And I would tell you one thing, that it was amazing. It helped me to realize what are my strengths, what are the skills I possess, how to upgrade my skills and work with my skills which I possess to attain my goal and obviously my dream job. So I did not waste any time. I enrolled and here I am. I'm working in Doha, Qatar in one of the biggest companies in Doha. And I'm very happy that Asif sir is going digital with his content and is going to transform a lot of lives. The course which he has, I would highly recommend because the learning is once, but the fruits which you're going to reap is going to be for lifetime. Yeah, because it has minute details like how you make your resume, how do you negotiate with HR, and what are the skills you require, interpersonal skills, your communication skills, your overall personality development, and more importantly, the way you look at things obviously changes after the training. So thank you Asif sir for letting me speak and I'm very happy that you're going digital. All the best. Bye-bye.